Hello, welcome back. So it's the Lego Friends Heartlake City Friends Clubhouse. So it's going to be one of the 2026 January sets. So it's the second biggest set and it's very nice. So we have a bicycle for 2 people and a zip line and a slide, and everyone in this set has new outfits. And so in the third floor, so the third floor is the bedroom, and we can also play video games, and we also have a drone, and we also have a bed for Lian's gecko, and this is the lobby, I think, and we have like water and like foods for the pets, and they can also ride the bicycle together, and it's really nice because it's a bicycle for 2 people. So it's 3 floors and we can do so many new activities in this set. So there are probably a lot more details that we don't know about this set because we don't have so many photos, but we have second, third, and first floors, so 3 floors, so probably we have a lot of activities to do. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.